Boom, what's up, viewers and subscribers? You don't know, say it's a welcome to another reaction video. You know what I mean? If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. If you have not yet liked the video, make sure you give the video a like. You know what I mean? Alright, so today I will be reacting to a Alkaline song titled Decking. You see me I say? So Alkaline Decking. So it's someone like this power me here, someone like a summer song. You know what I mean? But before we get right into the playing of the song, yeah, do a quick research on who Alkaline is. Hey, AI, what's up?
I look good. How you doing?
I'm great. Do you know that the
Great.
Jamaican artist by the name of Alkaline?
Sure, yeah, I know Alkaline. Alkaline, his real name is Ireland Bartley, burst onto the scene around 2013. He became known for his bold image, like when he temporarily darkened the whites of his eyes. That got a lot of attention. His music mixes hardcore dancehall with melodic and sometimes socially conscious tracks. Big hits like Champion Boy, After All, Formula, and Ocean Wave. He also had that well-known lyrical rivalry with Movado, which really stirred the dancehall crowd. And he's still one of the biggest names in the game. If you want, I can give you a deeper history of his rise.
Sure,
Like
go
from
ahead.
his early days.
Go ahead.
Okay. Alkaline grew up in Kingston, Jamaica, and started making music as a teen. Around 2011 or so, he began dropping tracks independently. But he really broke through around 2013 with songs like 123 and Things Me Love. That eye color stunt definitely got people talking, but it was the music that kept fans hooked. Then he built the Vendetta movement, which became a loyal fan base. By 2016, his album, New Level Unlocked, hit #1 on the Billboard Reggae album chart. Since then, he's stayed consistent, performing internationally and keeping a relatively private personal life while influencing a new generation of artists. He's kind of carved out his own lane.
All right, thank you so much for that monologue, AI or Chat GPT.
Anytime. You'd like.
All right, so let's get right into the video. Let's go. As me I say, that song is someone like it's a summer song, you know what I mean? So it's basically this is around the whole entire summer.
Want it more funny, we gonna make it start rain, mount a speed, we a party can't lame. Extra table roll out to your name, boy. With the trees, I've been alive for few.
Based on what me I see right now, this song was produced by Sponge Music. So big up Sponge Music, you know what I mean?
I feel candy.
But yo, this is around summer. We can just imagine how, and this is not a song for it. I mean, you can play in the clubs, you know, but the vision of me I feel is like a pool party song, you know what I mean? That's the vibes I get. Some nice girls there on the beach side have fun. You know what I mean? Beach ball. We have horse on it, we have ride horse on the beach side, you know what I mean? Sun hot out, you know what I mean? Lick everybody a drink and have fun, you know what I mean? Deck in the morning, as the song said. It have a vibes, you know what I mean? But core, yo, the verse, bad, you know what I mean? The chorus, bad. As me I say, it's something like a party song. It is a party song, cause it dropped right when summer start, you know what I mean? Yeah. I just hope the dog drop a music video for this, cause you can't just drop the song or so. You see me? And as me I said, the vision, or it not have to be a poolside video neither, you know. It can be like a house party, you know what I mean? And you have the pool, the big girl said way. Yeah, you have the sound system over there, so said way, and the girl them a dance and a drink and a rant and a have fun, you know what I mean? Yeah.
Tiriti pom. Oh, Trump change, fuck up them brain and can't think right. Long time we have money. Excited.
I wonder, first pay about that word, decking. Decking. Is this a real term? Let me ask AI. Hold on there. AI.
Oh, good. How are you?
I'm great. AI, the word decking. That's Decking. Is that a real word? Decking?
It's not a standard English word. It looks like a stylized or creative spelling. Could be a name, a brand, or maybe slang. Where'd you see it?
Oh, maybe it's a slang. So if me say deck in the morning, what does that what do you think that means? If me say deck in the morning.
Sounds like a Jamaican patois, but Deki doesn't match a standard patois word that I know. Could be a local slang.
Yeah, I don't really understand the word. I guess I make up that word here. It means a new slang the dog I try to create. Like you must say, yo, a deck in the morning, a bad man. You know what I mean? It be like say you a vibes, a vibes that have look more. You see me I say? Is it? Yeah. Deck in the morning, Alkaline. But I think this is the first summer song me hear drop so far since summer go start. You know what I mean? But it are run the whole summer. You know what I mean? If you are dream weekend and them place. You see it? As me I said, the vision how me I get for this song is a beach party vibes or a pool party house vibes. You know what I mean? House party, pool party vibes. You know what I mean? So yeah, as me I say, guys, this is a bad song. You know what I mean? Big up Alkaline, big up to all like dancehall artists. Them, you know what I mean? As me I say, yo, if you like the video, make sure you see you drop a like below. You know what I mean? You can also follow me on Instagram. That's Fayskull or Fayskull Entertainment. They on TikTok, same name again. If you want to follow me on Kick, they on Kick on Twitch. Fayskull said we. I think on Twitch my name Eagle Eye. You know what I mean? So you can follow the link to all them social pages there below in the description. You know what I mean? Until next time, Fayskull out. Boom.